We are going to solve a distance, rate, and time problem. Matthew drove to the mall and back. On the trip there, he drove 30 miles per hour, and on the return trip, he went 20 miles per hour. How long did the trip there take if the return trip took 3 hours? In this question, we have the keywords mall and back. So the formula would be RT equals RT. Rate times time equals rate times time. Because it was a round trip, he drove the same distance. Make sure to label the rate and times. On the way there, he drove at a rate of 30 miles per hour, but you want to find the time. On the way back, he drove at a rate of 20 miles per hour for 3 hours. Then substitute. Multiply 20 and 3 to get 60. Divide 60 by 30 to get t by itself. When you divide, you get 2. That means that the trip took 2 hours. And now for our second question. Kendra left school 2 hours before Natalie. They traveled in opposite directions. Natalie traveled at 50 kilometers an hour for 3 hours. After this time, they were 550 kilometers apart. Find Kendra's speed. In this question, we have the keywords opposite directions. So the formula is RT plus RT equals total distance. Make sure to label the distance, rate, and time. The word before makes a big difference, so we're going to wait and come back to that. Natalie went 50 kilometers an hour for 3 hours. So that's Natalie's rate and time. And 550 is the total distance. Because Kendra left 2 hours before Natalie, she traveled 2 hours longer. So you add 2 hours to Natalie's 3 hours to get 5 hours. Substitute. Then solve. Multiply 50 and 3 to get 150. And since you need r by itself, subtract 150 from both sides. Then you get 400. Then divide 5 by both sides to get 80 kilometers an hour, which was Kendra's speed. To get 80 kilometers to get 80 kilometers an hour, which was Kendra's speed.